Sushi is a food that has its roots in Japan, but has since expanded and become a worldwide phenomenon. It's easy to find sushi at restaurants and even grocery stores all around the world. Some people even like to make their own sushi at home. Although there is good sushi that can be found in a lot of places, and many people definitely have their favorite sushi restaurants, there's definitely some sushi restaurants that are better than others. Today, we'll have a closer look at the 10 nicest sushi restaurants in the world. Don't forget to subscribe and let's head into it. Number 10. Oya, Boston, Massachusetts. Oya is a sushi restaurant located in Boston that is a favorite among both Boston locals and people just visiting the city alike. Along with sushi, they also serve a variety of other Japanese dishes. Some of the menu items include things like venison tataki, bluefin maguro, and non-sushi dishes like a variety of items made with Japanese Wagyu beef. Number 9. Komuro, Tokyo, Japan. Komuro is a world-famous sushi restaurant in Tokyo, Japan. It also has 2 Michelin stars. Mitsuhiro has been serving since 2000 under the direction of Komuro. In Komuro, where quality and freshness are prioritized, the menu changes seasonally. Get ready for delicious moments. Number 8. Bamboo Sushi, Portland, Oregon. This restaurant, which is environmentally friendly and has a sense of social responsibility that operates on the basis of sustainability, should be an example of many restaurants that are known. We wish the proliferation of these restaurants, which care about nature in every field, from the supply chain to energy efficiency. You can feel the Far East's respect for food in this restaurant, one of the right addresses for quality and delicious sushi. It serves not only in Portland, but also in different regions. Number 7. Aoki, Istanbul, Turkey. At Aoki, you can have a delicious sushi with the unique and amazing Bosphorus view. It is a sushi restaurant run by Oki Keizo. It's a story that goes from Japan to America and then to Istanbul. It has a wide menu that includes not only traditional sushi, but also tastes suitable for Turkish taste. You can experience the perfect harmony of tradition and creativity. You will not want to leave the incredible view of Istanbul. Number 6. Kin-chan, Honolulu, Hawaii. Because of its unique location, Hawaii is truly a state with its own culture and spectacular food. Despite that, you may still have a hankering for sushi when visiting the islands. If you do, then we'd recommend Kin-chan. Number 5. Miku, Vancouver, British Columbia. Miku is a sushi restaurant located in Vancouver, British Columbia. This restaurant is popular not just in Vancouver, but around the world because of the fact that they specialize in a technique called aburi. Aburi is the word for flame-searing the sushi that they serve and is a cooking technique that dates back nearly a century in Japanese cuisine. Along with their super unique aburi style of preparing sushi, Miku also serves up Japanese drinks and some unique desserts. For people that have tried it all in the world of sushi and want something different, a trip to Miku has to happen. Number 4. Sushi Samba, Las Vegas, Nevada. Sushi Samba is a unique restaurant that's certainly worth the visit. They offer a one-of-a-kind menu made up of a number of different Brazilian, Peruvian, Japanese fusion cuisine items. This menu makes it a wonderful dining experience that we'd recommend checking out. Fusion cooking has long been a popular theme for a restaurant to embrace, and we understand why. Eating at a fusion restaurant like Sushi Samba allows you to try incredible new flavor combinations that you might never have had before and may never have again. As well as their unique Japanese menu, Sushi Samba also boasts a great vegan menu, along with a huge drinks menu for people to enjoy whilst they sample some wonderful dishes. The interior of this restaurant is also worth mentioning. It's beautifully designed, making you feel as though you've completely left Las Vegas to experience a great meal. Number 3. Sukiyabashi Jiro, Tokyo, Japan. It is the restaurant owned by the world's most famous sushi master, Jiro Ono. His reputation has increased more with the documentary that was released in 2011, and you can watch it on Netflix. We recommend that you make a reservation. Despite its high budget, you will have an incredible experience. If your path falls to Tokyo, for an unforgettable taste, do not miss this opportunity. Number 2. Alex Sushi, Oslo, Norway. A restaurant that has been serving in Oslo since 2001. It is in the style of modern and creativity with traditional style. It offers taste above the world's standards thanks to its quality and fresh material. After it, you may consider moving to Oslo. Number 1. Sushi Sei, Budapest, Hungary. This is a great spot set in the heart of Óbuda, within walking distance of Colossi Square. This impressive town boasts a lot of spectacular restaurants. The food scene is deeply impressive. This restaurant, though, is very elegant and has a well thought out and constructed menu. All of the dishes combine traditional flavors with a modern twist, ideal for an experimental sushi night out. Across the menu of the popular sushi spot, you can find a number of impressive items, including shiitake mushrooms with sweet soy sauce, as well as fried tofu with sweet soy sauce, pine nuts, bonito flakes, and spring onions. This choice to be brave with their complex ingredient lists and cooking methods means that Sushi Sei is set to be a prominent spot for years to come. If you enjoyed getting to know the best sushi places in the world, share this video with your friends and hit like and the subscribe button.